Hey guys, it's Anna, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my updated skincare routine. So this is what I've been doing for skincare every morning and night, as well as my makeup routine for school. I have done both a skincare routine and a makeup routine video before, but they've both changed quite a bit since I've made those, so I thought I'd update you guys with this new one. Also, I just wanted to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored at all, so these are honestly just products that I've been using for a while and that I really like, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And now let's just go ahead and get right into it. So before doing my makeup in the morning, I wash my face, and lately I've just been alternating between these two different cleansers, which is the Ossia Ocean Cleanser and the Remove Cleanser from My Clarins. I've been using this cleanser for about a year now, and I can definitely say that I love this cleanser. And then this one I've only been using for about a week, so far I've been liking it, but I really haven't been using it that long. When applying those, I usually scrub them in using the silicone side of this cleansing brush. And if you're wondering where I got any of these things, I'm going to try and leave them linked down in the description. Then after washing my face, I apply this Indie Lee toner. The final part of my skincare routine is moisturizing, and the moisturizer I use is this Golden Hour one by Ursa Major, which I've been using for a very long time now because I am in love with it. If you have dry skin like I do, I definitely recommend trying out this moisturizer. Now moving on to how I do my makeup, the first thing I do is apply some of this Maybelline concealer under my eyes, and then I just blend that in using a beauty blender. Also, if any of you are wondering why I'm looking to the side while applying my makeup, it's just because I have a mirror over here, so that's why I'm going to be looking to the side. Now that my concealer is all blended in, I just set it using this powder from the Sephora collection. And I usually just apply this all over the rest of my face as well to get rid of any shine. Next, I'm just going to apply a tiny bit of contour using the darkest shade in this palette. So as you can see, I just add a very tiny bit of contour. Then after contour, I add the blush in this cheek and eyeshadow palette from Sugar Rush. Sometimes I also like to add a little bit of eyeshadow from this palette just using my finger. I don't really wear eyeshadow every day, but sometimes if I do wear eyeshadow, I'll usually use the shade Picnic. Next, I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I actually have a few different mascaras that I like to use, but today I think I'm just going to use this Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte. And to finish off this super natural looking everyday makeup look for school, I'm just going to apply some of this lip gloss from Tarte. For my everyday skincare and my makeup routine for school, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and you can click here to watch my most recent video. To subscribe to my channel, click here, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!